Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, inshallah, Junior 2, we will make small revision on what we see or what we said before about the constellation. You remember this word, constellation? Yes, excellent. Constellation is a group of stars that make a shape and it has a name, right? Again, group of stars. Yes, constellation is a group of stars. Together, they will form a shape and it has a name. Like this one. This is what? This is group of stars together form a shape. So this is called a constellation. Okay? You remember the name of this constellation? Yes, it's called Orion the Hunter, because it looks like a hunter with his bow and arrow. Okay? These stars together formed, yes, excellent, they form a shape which is called Orion the Hunter, form a constellation that has a shape of a hunter. Okay? You remember Canis Major, the dog? Yes. This one, it has a bright star here in this part near the triangle, and this is called the Sirius. Okay, so if I want to write about the constellation, this amazing subject, if I want to write a paragraph about it, Junior 2, I will write what? Or by another way, if I want to make a research, okay, I will write what? First of all, you remember our constellation of yesterday? Yes, frog constellation. Yes, excellent. If I want to make a presentation or a research or write a paragraph about this constellation, I will write what? Number one, the title, the name of the constellation. The name of the constellation. Constellation is called frog constellation. We said yesterday it's called frog constellation. Okay? Yes. And then what do you know about this constellation? What we learn from the constellation? What we learn, Junior 2? We learn from the stars and the sun that when the object becomes very far from us, it appears small, while when the object becomes near to us, it appears big. This occurs, Junior 2, because the size of the object change? No, this is wrong. This occur because, or happen because, the distance between me and the object different. When the object near to me, يعني the distance short, I can see the object big. While when the object become far from me, I can see it small when the distance become longer. So here we can see the stars small and the sun big because the sun near to us and the stars far from us. So the size of object doesn't change here. The size of the stars not a change here. What a change, Junior 2? In distance between us and the stars. Okay? So we learn what here, Junior 2? I know that I have the books here in the school, Junior 2. I know. But listen and we will write tomorrow inshallah. The size of object doesn't change, it looks different because the distance here change. It's distance between us and the object. When the distance becomes short, we can see the object with its real size, big. When the distance becomes very long or large distance, we can see the object very small. Sorry about that. Type. If I ask here a question to make the research, I will ask about what? Yes, I will ask about what is the distance between us and the sun. You can make a search for this information, please, for me. You can search for this information on Google, and tomorrow inshallah I will ask you about this research junior 2. What is the distance between the earth, between us and the sun? Please search for this information on the internet, and inshallah tomorrow tell me about the result. What is the distance between us and the sun? Okay, so if we ask on this subject, we will ask about the distance between the earth and the sun. Okay, and we will draw in this paragraph, we will draw and we will write the names of the student here. Okay, and the student who search for the information that I said it now, who will search for the information and tell me the result tomorrow inshallah. I will write his name on this space on the box. Okay, هنعمل الريسيرش ده يا جونيور 2. هندور على الانفورميشن دي on internet, on Google. Okay, what is the distance between the earth and the sun? بإذن الله يوم الأربعاء بكرة إن شاء الله اللي هيجيب لي الانفورميشن دي الريزلت I will write his name or her name on the book. Okay, thank you for your watching this video.